Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites: a charged device and a stable network. Once connected, open settings and go straight to accounts. You need to locate the specific account and read the last sync time and any error code. This tells you why sync failed. Next, toggle sync off then on to force a retry and make sure background data and permissions are enabled for that account. This short sequence begins diagnostics and often resolves transient issues quickly, so do it now before deeper fixes. Once done with the basic retry, re-authenticate. Log out and log back in or refresh the OAuth permission. This resets tokens that expire. If that fails, clear the app cache or app data for the service and restart it because corrupted local data blocks sync. Make sure server settings match expected values. Correct ports, SSL on or off as required, and the precise username format. These steps tackle credential and local data problems that simple toggles do not fix. Finish by forcing a manual sync and watching the timestamp. If successful, you're done. If it still fails, back up any local data, remove the account, and add it again. This recreates server-client links. Make sure to reapply permissions and wait a few minutes for full propagation. If problems persist, check the provider's service status or test the account on a different device to isolate whether it's account-side or device-specific. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals the real source of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.